Okay, so you're going to pick 3 of them, only 3. So take 3 that have different beginning sounds and move the rest away. So we have 3, 2, 3, 3 things. 3 is kind of a magic number. So you would ask, what is this? Might say boat. It's actually a submarine, so I'll say submarine. And nest. And what is that? Glue. Glue. So we're thinking right now about the beginning sounds. The beginning sounds, the first sound you hear when you say submarine. Do you hear that? Sub starts with nest. Nest starts with nest. Glue. G starts with glue. Now that you've introduced those 3, you can start I spy with my little eye something that starts with n. Which one starts with n? N. Your child hopefully goes like this, and if they do, I let them hold it. Or you can